Kynhun Myntri hakalai puiterik lober arja arpuar kala Pdiang ke Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Funds Management Guidelines arjar arpuar. Habaikrun bekla pathai kubor harian ke jelang joka Kynhun Myntri ukoner ke sama Myntri rangpa ke jelau la pentip bakat kung ka hukum joka High Court la sedang banlum megani ka fund nadu usnem arjar khatsan. Da ka jing menjur joka Kynhun Myntri minta ya ka jingpanan kami kani ka fund on yai lingba ka Kynhun ani ka tanat kabar on thau kerpang bar kami ya kani ka kam.
So under the minor minerals, we had started a reclamation fund back in the year 2015, and this was based on an order from the High Court. Based on that, the funds have been collected, but the guidelines to actually use them had not been framed. They were in the process of being framed. And now that the framing has been done, this had come to the cabinet for its approval, and we have approved it. After this is done, the utilization of the funds through a governing body and through an executive committee will be undertaken.